Richie. This shit hot.
Welcome back to Keep It Moving TV. I know it's been a minute, but life happens. Today's short topic episode is going to be about the word restoration. Hey Siri, give me the definition of restoration.
Restoration means the action of returning something to a former owner, place, or condition. Do you want to hear the remaining one?
Restoration. Before I go there, you guys know what the topic is. Today's my mother's birthday, so I gotta take a quick toast. May she rest in peace. She loves Miller High Life, so do I. Restoration. RP mama. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Restoration, guys. Let's start with my mother. You know, she was big on restoration. You know, because all she had was her family. That's all she had. That was her pride and joy, her true happiness. And she was always trying to sew and weave things back together. You know what I mean? And bring it together, and keep it together. I truly believe that was her ultimate goal. That's all she had. So I'm gonna start off this topic with her and the word restoration. You know, keeping things together, repairing relationships that got sour, you know, things that people really couldn't understand because their emotions got all entangled up in the situation and shit got heated. And that's the way it goes, you know. That's not just with family, that's everything from coast to coast, worldwide. Something we all go through, you know. And I truly believe, I'll stand on it when it comes to family. I mean a tight-knit family. You know, it's worth fighting for. Restoration. Now, that's my mother's point of view. Let me give you my point of view of restoration. For my worldview, and for my experiences of this walk of life, I don't give 2 cents about restoration. I'm the other side of the coin of my mother. Fuck restoration. Because people are full of shit. You know, all caught up with themselves, self-centered, selfish, manipulative. You know, just full of shit. I wish their shit was as good as hog shit. Let me change that. As cow shit. So it can make shit grow. So they are hog shit. That's why I said it first. But anyway, I don't give a shit about it. You know, fuck repairing a relationship. It's not worth it. It's 8 billion people in the world or more and counting. Baby being born right now all over the world. Many. It's not worth it. You know, when people cross you, backbite you, just being trifling with a smile on their face, you got to keep it moving. You know, do what you got to do to keep it moving, because it's not worth it. What I mean by it's not worth it, well, to me, it's not worth it. You know, especially at my age, and the shit I done been through, and the fire and brimstone I done walked on, to still be here today, it's a blessing. So I don't have time. I don't have time for these fake motherfucking people. I'm sick of them. You know, the people that I cross paths with in my life. You know what I mean? No matter if it's family, motherfuckers from the streets, or motherfuckers from the workplace. If you're full of shit, you're full of shit. There is no more getting over on the G. Shit over with. Trust me. I'm done. Parents are gone. There's no more need for restoration. I can see if I had a wedding ring on my hand, it's a different story. But when you're single, there's time for that shit. You know what I'm saying? Unless you are ready to go to prison or to the cemetery, leave me the fuck alone. That's all I gotta fucking say. No need for restoration around here with me. That shit's over with. I'll tell you what we can do. The people I know from the streets, that people I'm still in contact with, I already cut them motherfuckers off too. You know, life is more than just meeting up and having a motherfucking drink. You know what I mean? Is that all it's about? Having a motherfucking drink and a beer, then leaving and catching a fucking OWI, DUI, killing somebody, killing yourself? Are you going murdering somebody? You know what I mean? Are the individual getting killed? Restoration, powerful word. You know, no more giving people 100 chances to even conversate with you. You know, bad enough they gotta look at you. I'm sick of that shit. I made it out, but sometimes I'm sucked back in by choice. Restoration should be a conversation between everyone. Your wife, your husband, your children, a tight-knit family. If you ain't got a family, it's your own fault. Create one, because we create our own happiness and joy. Like I said, I wasn't going to be long. Thank you for your time, for watching this video, even one for 10 seconds. Appreciate you anyway. But this YouTube, this social media is the future. And I think everybody needs to take a dive into that ocean, because that's where it's at. This is what it's come to. You know, get on the boat. Create you a channel. Live your journey. Do you. Keep it moving, because life is short. One more thing I'm going to share with you guys, and I'm going to be out of here. You know, like they say in your 20s, when you're in your 20s, it's basically the fuck up years. I'm trying to figure this shit out. But when you get in your 30s, that's the first quarter. When you get in your 40s, that's the second quarter. Your 30s, the third quarter. Did I say that right? Let me do it over again. 20s, fuck up years. 30s, first. 40s, second. 50s, third. 60s, fourth quarter. Anything after that is overtime. So be blessed. I had two brothers murdered. They never reached 30. One got barely at the 20s. And the homies and guys I know from the side who's dead. It is what it is. Restoration. Choose the people you want in your life wisely. It's like planting a seed in a garden. You got to be mindful about everything around you. People are full of shit. Get your discernment built up. Because we're nothing but energy and spirit at the end of the day. And there's nothing new under the sun. And remember to keep it moving.